Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply install Google Beta on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply scroll right here and look for my Play Store. So right here, I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. The next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click on search, then come to the search app right here and type in Google Beta. Then click on search, then you'll be taken right here. So as at the time of making this video, 50 million plus download and use this particular browser. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here and it's open up like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on install. So after a successful download and install, we click on open. The next thing you need to do right here is to simply continue with your Google account. Then simply click on yes, I'm in to synchronize your data. Then click on continue. Click on allow. So it's as simple as that. You can start to explore Google search engine, Google Beta. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.